Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd give you a little update on the caravan and the situation we're in. It's not very good at the moment actually. As you may or may not know, we did have a motorhome and we've actually sold it. Originally the idea was to hand it over in March. We were going to collect our caravan in April. We ordered the caravan in December 2020, but due to the circumstance of this wonderful pandemic, that's worldwide pandemic that's causing trouble to everybody, and the national lockdown, it has been delayed. So originally it was delayed a month. So it was from April to May. So we thought, well, we're not going anywhere April. So we did take his motorhome in, whereas we got the money to actually get a new tow car, have a tow bar fitted and ready for collection of the caravan in May. Unfortunately, we found out now that it's not going to be delivered in May or collection in May, it's going to be collection in June. So fingers crossed we will get the caravan in June. We've been told it will be built end of May and delivered to the dealership the 4th of June. They do all the PDI checks, etc., and he's got us down for a collection of 19th of June, which is a Saturday. We actually went to the dealership and had a chat to the dispatch manager there, who deals with all the new caravans coming in and dispatching them, etc. So that's why he gives us the news. He says, but that all depends on till it comes to the build date of our caravan. He says, because he's having to phone up quite a few due to the parts coming in from Europe are delayed due to the same situation as what we are in the UK. So that's the situation we're in. We've got everything crossed that we do get this caravan in June. We did want to go to a site, and we did go actually in April. We actually went to Troutbeck Head, but we actually stopped in one of the glamping pods there, and we had a really good time actually. You were self-contained in a little pod, you got a running shower, you got flushing toilets, and I did a little tour of the glamping pod we stopped in. So what they'll do is there'll be a little card, either that corner or this corner, and it'll take you to the video of the glamping pod I made. So I hope if you're interested in looking at that, don't forget to click on this, and also put one into description below, because if you watch it on a television or whatever, sometimes it doesn't show up, on these sliding cards don't show up. So while we're at the dealers, we thought we'd have a look at some awnings, because we need to prepare things, and we're not sure whether we're going to have what type of awning we're going to have. We just thought we'd have a look, but unfortunately they didn't have too many awnings there. Whether, I don't know why, but they had a lot of full. We don't want a full awning, or there was quite a few driveway awnings actually. So if you got a motorhome, you'd have been all right there. But we did purchase some chairs. So what we'll do now is we'll give you a quick look at the chairs, because that's all I've got to really update you on. We did have some of those heavy recliner ones, where you collect the gravity chair ones, where it pulls you back, but they were very, very heavy. So we wanted something light to be able to keep in caravan. These are powder coated aluminium. So what we'll do is I've opened the box just to make sure there's no damage to them, but I've not actually had them up or look at them properly. So what we'll do is we'll do a little video and show you what chairs we've bought. Right, so this is what we bought. It's from Quest Leisure Products, and it's Enoble Pro Comfort, and there's 2 chairs in the box. Right, so that's the chair, and it weighs 5.6 kilograms. So we can either have that in the caravan or in the back of the car. Really light, well, a lot lighter than the other chairs we had. They must have been about 13-14 kilogram each. So as you can see, you've got a nice adjustable headrest on it, and we've got wood effect hands armrests on it. Right, so that's what they weigh in that. So what we'll do now is we'll put it up and we'll show you what it looks like when it's up. We also bought the footrest recliners as well. These are really light. They're only bear with me, 1.5 kilogram. So that's your footrest, so you can make it into a recliner. We'll show you when it's all up. So we did buy 2 of these. Of course we bought 2 because of me and Karen. So we'll have a go at putting it up. Let me just move my camera. It should be fairly easy to put up, he says with great faith. So that's it. Perfect. Really comfy, wide enough, and you've also got a little table as well for your beer and your coffee. That clips into that thing there once. That's better. So it clips on and secure. So you've got your place for your beer, coffee, whatever it is, and you're fully reclinable. So what we'll do now, we'll put the little footstool on and show you what it's like. Headrest's easy adjustable, it's just a they're certainly a lot more comfortable than those other chairs we had. So like I say, we'll be able to sit and have us dinner at a table, sit outside and recline a bit. Actually, they're very comfortable, really comfortable. So we'll clip on the footrest. So that clips on up under there. You do have to straddle, I think. Oh, I can just imagine myself laid outside my caravan. But unfortunately, that's not going to be until June. Right, so that's what we bought new for his caravan, and hopefully we'll get many happy years use out of it. So we'll put that away and we'll give you a quick look at the chair itself. So you've got 3 years warranty with it. It's electroplated aluminium frame, reclines for comfort, slide out slide table, which is down there, which says it can take no more than 5 kilograms. So you can't overload it with 5 kilograms. So you've got your soft, extra comfortable, breathable and quick dry mesh, and it's all weather chair. So, and you've got your adjustable headrest there. So all in all, we're very happy with those chairs. That's the update on the caravan and just showing us our new chairs. Sorry I haven't got any more news, but what I'll probably do in another video is why we chose to go for a new caravan, and also probably another one of how we chose which caravan and layout we wanted. So that's probably going to be the next videos coming up. Don't forget, if you like this little video, don't forget, give me that little thumbs up. And if you like what's on the channel and you want to follow our caravan adventures, now our motorhome adventures are finished, click that little subscribe button and also that notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos, and it'll also help my channel grow a little bit. I'd like to thank anybody who has subscribed over the last few months. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, and a big thank you for all those people who have stuck with my channel over the last few years. Thank you very much for your support. Right, I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to say goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.